Hello.
Hey Leon, can you hear me?
I hear you. Perfect.
How's it going, man?
Good man. And you?
Yeah, man, doing no complaints, doing good, doing good. So, Leon, actually, one of my sales guy reached out to you regarding solar leads, right? And he found out like you were interested. So I just wanted to, hop on a call real quick with you and just to see if we are a fit, we can definitely help you guys. So, Leon, just want to know a little bit about you, like as of now, like, how many sales are you averaging a month and which state are you selling in?
Okay, so currently I sell, I'm a regional manager. So I sell in different states. I sell in New York City, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Um, Currently right now I'm averaging like 20 to 25 sales a month. I want to try to double that because I definitely believe I could hit right now this year. I'm on pace to hit 600,000.
Uh,
I know for a fact I could hit more than that. I want to hit 1 million. And for me
Sounds
to do
good.
that, I have to double my sales. Simple as that.
Sounds good. Yeah, obviously.
So I want to know like what's the best procedure to do that. And I heard somebody told me. I actually called one of the references, Daquan, but he didn't call me back as yet. To ask him like the feedback. But I want to know like what's you guys' feedback for your work and how does your procedure work?
Okay, for sure. Yeah, Dequan, I think his company is selling in, I think, New York itself. And we have been setting a lot of appointments for that particular company. So actually, like if you want to get connected with Dequan, I'll send you his email because on the last call when I got on a chicken call with him, he asked me to remove the number from the reference list because I
Okay.
don't know, like he doesn't like that. But I'll send you his email if you want, and he's like he has been like his company has been working with us for the past 2 3 months, and they like last month they did around 4 sales. I know that's nothing, to be honest, because you are closing a lot of sales, but they are like making some serious ROI every single month with us. So as far as you're concerned about the procedure, so this is how like a real breakdown is. Like, we are going to put out Facebook ads, we are going to generate leads, you have to call the leads, set the appointments and close. This is one, right?
Mhm.
The second is we are going to generate leads, then our own appointment setter will call those leads and set appointments, and we will send you those set appointments. You just have to close those appointments, right?
Okay.
So these are the two different pricings we currently have. So in terms of like Facebook ads, like how much do you think you can spend on ads on average a month?
Uh, it depends like what's going to be the best quality and the best lead flow.
So let me ask you this: are you looking for leads or appointments?
I'm looking for appointments,
Appointments it
right?
is. Okay.
So if I get more appointments, that's better for me. Because I'm pretty sure if you guys feed me appointment, because I'm a regional manager, I could definitely give down to other people to go and run those appointments.
So you are regional manager for Sunrun, if I'm not wrong.
Correct. Fusion.
Fusion, okay, Fusion it is. Okay. So Leon, let me show you. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, see a screen.
Yeah, so this is his company, Dequan's company, Camtech Solar. So this is how the appointment looks like. So this appointment, okay, this was in Pennsylvania, but yeah, here's like in New York, right? If you can see my screen. So we have been setting a lot of appointments for him. Like in a day, we are averaging around 2 to 4 different appointments, or sometimes even 7 or 8, right? So as of now, these guys are spending somewhere around $1,200 to $1,500 on ads to get like these many appointments. On a month, these guys are averaging around 25 to 35 appointments in a month.
Okay. And how much sales are generating from that?
So man, like let me just show you their Google sheet, right? So far, how many sales they have actually did. I have all the data there. Yeah, can you see my screen?
I see a screen.
Perfect. So far they have spent in the last 2 months $3,200 with us. 142 leads has been generated, and from those 142 leads, our appointment setup booked 34 appointments. It's 115 in total for 2 months combined. In total, they have closed eight appointments, eight sales,
Okay.
right? And the cost per sale is $406. That's what they're averaging in New York,
Okay.
right? So, Leon, let me ask you this: will you be targeting like the entire state of the New York or specific counties and zip codes?
Entire city of New York.
You can
Uh
target that,
yeah.
man. Like then I think like your cost per sale would be like maybe $200 or $300 because you'll be in advantage because
Okay.
like you will be having a bigger area to target. We can get you more leads and appointments.
Okay. Because I could do New York and I could also do Connecticut. I know you guys do business in Connecticut. How is it working for Connecticut for you guys?
Like, man, you just tell us the states that you in which you want appointments. We can just run different multiple campaigns and start sending you the appointments.
Okay.
Right?
And average, you guys see average like 1 to 5 appointments a day?
Man, like sometimes even 8 in a single day. We ourselves like were startled at one point, like how is it happening? So I think New York right now is like kind of hot state for solar, and I think you should also run the wave using Facebook ads. So if you can spend around $1,200 to $1,500, that would be, you can easily average around maybe, let's say, worst case scenario, 20 appointments to, let's say, 35-40 appointments in a month,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Okay,
So
that's not bad.
yeah, this is for the ad spend. So if you want the appointments, our management fee is 3K, $3,000. On top of that, you have to pay for the ads. So $3,000 plus $1,500 on ads. And your monthly expense would be somewhere around $4,500. You just have to close one 10 kilowatt system in New York and you'll make all your money back in just one sale.
Okay, all right. Now if I don't want to, so you guys do flat roofs or just if I don't want to any flat roofs at all, it's one regular no flat roofs. Will you
Okay,
guys
like,
be able to filter that to get no flat roofs?
yeah, for sure. You just tell us like your personalization, like what kind of appointments do you need? So let's
Okay,
say about the roof. We have been asking questions about roof as well.
okay,
House type, single, attached, and but if you want, we can ask the about that roof question as well.
okay.
Right? You don't
Cause
have to worry about that. Yeah.
okay, because like to me, it's not in that area. Like I could do Westchester area. Now how do you guys know if the area is like the shape of the house could fit panels and stuff like that?
So we can also, like, before setting up the appointment, we can also see the image on the Google sunroof, right? In the Google sunroof, we can just, like my appointment setter can see like if they have like a sloped roof or a flat roof, does the shade like roof has shade or not, and then we
Mhm.
can set the appointment for you,
Okay, makes sense.
right? Sounds good. So, Leon, do you have any other questions?
Um, I have no other questions. I would like to try it for a month. Um, Friday, reach out back to me. I'll give you guys. How do I pay the $4,500 to?
You don't have to pay entire $4,500. You just have to pay the 3,000 to us, and you're going to
Okay,
pay $1,500 to Facebook, your own credit card, your ad account. So let me do this. After this call, I'll send you over the invoice and the contract. So today
okay.
is Wednesday. So is there any chance you're free tomorrow for an onboarding call? My team will be there and they will just onboard you tomorrow.
Can we do Friday?
Okay, tell me what
Friday,
time on Friday?
Friday at 12 p.m.
12 p.m. Is it Eastern?
Correct.
Friday 12 p.m. Eastern, and sounds good. Perfect, Leon. Then after this call, my team is going to send you an invoice,
Mm-hmm.
onboarding form, as well as the contract. Just take care of all these three things before the onboarding call on 12 p.m. Eastern, and we'll just onboard you on Friday
So
itself, right?
what's the contract and details now?
So contract detail is pretty much simple. Like, we'll just keep it simple. Terms and condition is like, like if you don't make any sale, then you will get a free month with us. For example, for first month you spent a lot of money on ads and you haven't even closed one sale, then you will be eligible for a free month. You just
Okay.
have to pay for the ads. You won't be paying $3,000 in retainer. Pay for the
Okay.
ads until you make your all the ROI back. Then you can just start working with us again using $3,000. Right?
Okay. All right.
Sounds good.
All right. That sounds good.
Perfect. Sounds good, Leon. Then I think it was really nice talking to you. Let me send all the details to your email. I have your email, and just take care of it by before the onboarding call, and we'll just onboard you on Friday itself, right?
Okay. Perfect.
Sounds good. Perfect, Leon. Have a good day, and let's talk soon. Bye.